Okay, now we're going to talk about some commonly asked questions. How does the tubing go into the pump? When you get your nylon tubing, and you have to run nylon tubing from the pump because these pumps will vibrate if you don't. You can't put stainless steel tubing right into the back of a pump. You have to use the nylon, whether it's 5-10 feet or all the way from your pump system to your misting system, to where your stainless steel or your nylon is going to start, or however you're going to run your misting or your copper. This tubing goes right into this ferruled fitting. This fitting has got a ferrule, on the inside's a crush sleeve, and this nut, which is tapered. So you put the nylon in, you tighten this really good and tight, and you're going to be good to go. This is not going to go anywhere. It's going to handle up to 2,500 PSI. That's it. So you find a place where you can mount your pump system. You can make a little noise. You've got water inlet. You've got power. If not, you'll have to get it there. And that's it. You do have a switch on the front of the pump that turns it on or off, or you can use one of our remote controls, which is going to be a handheld remote control, or you can switch the outlet that it's going to turn it on and off. You just want to make sure that you've got it in the right place. You can go within 15 to 115 feet away. It doesn't make any difference. The pump will accommodate for it. That is one of the common questions that are always asked, is how does this nylon tubing go in? You just have to tighten this really tight. You only get one shot at it. If you tighten it and you crush this sleeve, it's going to be like this one over here on this side right here. It's not going to come back off. It's on there for life. So that's a pretty common way that these pumps go in. Okay. On our 150 PSI pump, same thing. But on this pump right here, on the back side of this pump, you've got a push lock. The tubing pushes into it, automatically locks for inlet, automatically locks for the outside, for the high pressure of the 150 PSI. So that's about it.